Hey guys, let's discuss this problem here. This problem says the diameter of roller, which is 1.5 meter long, is 84 centimeter. If it takes 100 revolution to level a playground, then you need to find out the cost of leveling a playground at the rate of rupees 0.5 rupees per meter square. Now, the diameter of the roller, you know, it is 84 centimeter, and how long it is? It is 1.5 meter long. So there is unit difference. You need to make it similar. So let's write down the formula for the curved surface area. Curved surface area of a roller. Because you will be needing only the curved surface part to level a playground. So what is the curved surface area? It is 2 pi RH. You know the value for pi. When it is not mentioned, then use 22/7. Value of r, as you know the value of diameter, it is 84 centimeter. So radius will be exactly half of the diameter, which means 42 centimeter. And in meter, you can write this as 0.42. And the height of this roller is the length is 1.5. Now, this is 0.6, and on multiplication, this is 1.5. So 1.5 meter long, and this is 15, and you can write this as 0.06 divided by, remove the decimal points. So you'll get 44 into 90 divided by 1000. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, and you'll be getting 44 into 9 into 100. But how many revolution this roller is making? 100 revolution, which means one revolution is of the area of 44 into 9 divided by 100 meter square. Then when it will make 100 revolution, then total area covered will be, multiply this with 100. So it will be 44 into 9. So here you can write that total area covered by roller in 100 revolution. So this will be 44 into 9, which means 396 meters square. 396 meters square. So this is the total area covered. Now you need to find out the cost of leveling. You know the rate here. Rate of leveling is 0.5 rupees per meter square. So now let's write down the cost of leveling. Cost of leveling a playground. Cost of leveling a playground will be this area, which is 396, and multiply this area with the value, which is 0.5. 0.5, you can write this as half of this. Now this value you will get in rupees. So the cost of leveling will be 198 rupees. 198 rupees. So I really hope there should be no doubt. So let me repeat the question, repeat the solution again. Curved surface area of a roller is 2 pi RH. Value of radius is 0.42 in meter, and the length is 1.5 meter long. So on solving this, you'll get 44 into 9. So how many revolution this is making? 100 revolution. That's why the total area is 396 meters square. Now you need to find out the cost of leveling a playground. So cost of leveling will be the total area and the rate. So this will give you 198 rupees. So I really hope there is no doubt. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lecture. Thank you.